Want to save money on Turbotax this year? In this video, I'll show you the full step-by-step guide to getting 20% off using a Turbotax referral link. Let's get started. Step 1. Head over to turbotax.intuit.com and log into your account by clicking Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email and password. Step 2. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll down to the left bottom corner where it says Referral Rewards. Click that. Step 3. Turbotax will generate a unique referral link for you. Click Copy Link to copy it to your clipboard. Step 4. Now share that referral link with friends, family, or even on social media. When someone uses your link to file their taxes, they get up to 20% off and you can earn rewards too. Bonus tip. If you don't have a Turbotax account yet, find a friend who does and use their referral link to get the discount. It's a win-win. And that's how to get 20% off with Turbotax's referral promo code for 2025. Like this video if it helped and subscribe to How to Tutor for more money-saving guides. See you next time!